Alright, GM passkey, delete. You can do it this way. You can get yourself a soldering board, and you can solder in your relays. You hook it up to your passkey, you're going to find out. You'll have to find out what your ohms are. You can usually test the resistance in a key. Now, if, for instance, you have a key that you feel may be bad, it's giving off a resistance other than what it should be, you go out and you get yourself a variable potentiometer. We'll turn here. You can turn this, and you can vary the resistance. Go to the junkyard. Do not clip up your wiring harness. As you can see with this one, this is the correct way. This is going to be your female coming into your computer. Now, this used to be covered with tape. I took it off so you could see what's going on here. And you're going to solder these resistors in line. This will allow you to bypass your passkey. Now, if you need to figure out what resistance your passkey is, you get yourself a little potentiometer. You get yourself your basic voltmeter. You set it to ohms right there. Funny looking little symbol. Set it to 20,000. You're going to connect them inside these two leads. If you got a friend, they can hold them on the other side, but they're a little bit difficult. I found it was a lot easier to just put them in the back here. You can then tune this. There's a chart online. I will get you a website and post it at the bottom. And you can then tune this potentiometer to the different resistances. I think there's 15 of them. And these were all the keys that GM came out with. All that's in your key with a little chip in it is a resistor. Now, if you tune this, you'll have maximum and minimum values. I try to get them right in the middle so there's no variation. Now, if you can do this and get the car to start, and it starts on a different key resistance than the key that you have, that means either the resistor in your key went bad, or you got resistance in a wire somewhere. This is pretty simple. This will save you a bunch of hours. It'll save you possibly replacing a computer, spending a lot of money. This should be the first thing you should check. The keys can build up resistance after a while due to corrosion, due to a bad ignition switch. There's a few variables. And this is all you need. Go clip yourself 2 connectors, this part right here. Hook them up to a potentiometer. This is a 0 to 5,000 right now, I believe. This is actually the 10. You can see it'll say right on top, 10K. You're going to have to get 0 to 5. You can use a 0 to 10, but it's really touchy. And then you're going to have to get a 10 to 20. I actually had to get a 50 because I didn't have a 10 to 20 in stock. But this can save you some time and figure out if your key is bad. Thank you.